Hi, today I will show you how to fix PS5 turning off problem. First, check your power supply and HDMI port and make sure they are correctly set up. Then go to PS5 settings. Select System Settings. Select HDMI settings and turn off Enable HDMI device link. Now select Power Saving Settings. Select Set Time until PS5 enters rest mode. Set during media playback and while playing game settings too. Don't put in rest mode. And after that, your problem will be solved. Thanks for watching. By the way, if you're tired of getting ripped off when you're shopping for games, I found the perfect thing for you. Whether you're into action, RPGs, or strategy, Kinguin has thousands of games available for you to download and play for cheap using their discount codes. They offer Steam CD keys as well as PC game keys, so you can play your favorite games without having to sell a kidney. The link to Kinguin's website is in the description. Check it out.